how to use Webtalk to look for employment or business partner. So here I am at my Webtalk homepage, and specifically I am at About, or my resume page. Here you can explain about yourself in detail, and I don't know any other social media website where you can express yourself this much. So contact, okay, so this is your virtual resume address, which you can share with other people to locate you online. Your email, phone, home address, work address, website, social profiles, about. Okay, so in about here you'll express yourself. If you are looking for business partner, you'll say about that. If you are seeking for employment, of course you will explain yourself about your experience a bit, but there is a section below where you can explain yourself in more detail. Here you can use videos. Let me click on edit button here on top. Let me show it. So there is this edit button. I'm going to click on that as if I want to edit about section. So you see there are options here to use photos, videos, or files, okay, when you express yourself. Okay, so I've used video there. As you can see, I've used video, so let me close this. And language, you put about language, experience. Okay, so if you are looking for employment or even business partner, you need to share your experience in the past so that people know who you are. And there is education section where you will put your educations, recommendation, and this is very important, because if you are looking for employment or business partner, your chance of getting one becomes greater if you have credible recommendations from credible people in the society. Okay, so you can look for people, credible people, who can recommend you, and ask them to do that in your profile page. License and certifications. Okay, so you have all these details you can put. And for those who are seeking for employment now, there is this edit button there. So click on it to open it, and on top you see there edit profile, and below there is seeking employment or new work, allows employers to find you in search. So if you are looking for employment, you check this so that your CV can be connected with those who are seeking for employees. Okay, so you will check that, and when you check that, that means if somebody now is searching, so let me go to the search engine on top here, and let me type anything here to open advanced search. You see this is an advanced search. Here is where you can, so I click on advanced search here, and so you can filter in advanced search: employment, seeking work. Okay, so if you are looking for people, you are looking for people who are seeking work. Location, you can put location, age range, gender. Okay, so there are those options for people, for employers to search you, if you have opted, of course, to be searched for those who are looking for employees. Okay, for business partners, it's just when you put your CV there, and you will be connected with because if somebody is looking for a business partner in a certain business in which you are in, then when he search for that business, it will appear, okay, in the search engine. Your profile will appear. For example, let me go back here. And let me use the search engine here to look for, say tourism. Tour. So once I type tour, then there comes people with for example, this one, Robert Murigi, director at Explorer Kenya Tours. So you get connected with people this way using Webtalk search engine. So that's all I wanted to talk about this facility where you can put your CV so that it gets connected with prospective employers or business partners 24 hours a day. Okay. For more information about Webtalk, visit the link in bio, or you can just search in social medias using hashtag Biznocrats. Okay, you can use hashtag Biznocrats to search for information about Webtalk. Let me show you. Let me type it here on top. The hashtag you can use is Biznocrats. Okay, so use that search tag Biznocrats to look for content about Webtalk in social media websites. Bye for now.